1. The camera has a 16 megapixel CMOS sensor, an infrared lens and a 2.4-inch TFT LCD 320*240 pixel screen. The effect is clear and has a different experience. 2. Camera video format, AVI, video resolution, 1200/720/720/640/480/320/240. Photo format, JPEG, photo resolution, 12m, 4000/3000/5m, 2592/1944/3m, 2048*1536/1m, 1024*768/VGA, 640*480. 3. It has automatic power off function. It is powered by lithium battery pack or 4 PCSA batteries, no battery available, 16x digital zoom, webcam function. 4. The camera can meet various photography needs by connecting different lenses, sold separately. You can mount this camera on a tripod. 5. Ultralight portable design, comes with a camera strap that you can take with you on vacation or on the go. The portable size makes it easy for your toddler or senior to use the neckband to avoid accidental dropping.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Store channel, click bell button. Subscribe JP 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 Store channel, click bell